Okay, so the next video I will show how can you do self-bill credit note. All right, we have gone through how can you do self-bill in the different scenarios like payment of commission, import of goods. But next, I will show you, let's say if you need to credit note a self-bill, what can you do? How can you do? Okay, so first of all, we can create new. Okay, so to make things easy, usually if you want to do a credit note, self-bill credit note, it should be based on a self-bill invoice that is submitted before and validated. So we can actually use the function copy from other self-bill. So let's say we want to self-bill credit note this particular self-bill invoice. So I can just tick on this one and click OK. So you can see the information is exactly the same as what you key in previously. The next thing that you need to do is you have to change the self-bill credit note over here. From invoice, you change to self-bill credit note. Okay, and you can also take the reference document. This one is to let the system know which self-bill invoice you are self-billing. All right, just now when you copy, that is just a copy. It does not tell the system that you are actually doing a self-bill credit note. So after you copy, you have to come to this reference document and tick on the same document that you actually copied. Click OK, and you can approve directly later on because the classification everything is copied over, so it should be the same. So we approve and we wait it for the submission. Okay, and then it has become valid, so we can look back into our so-called MyInvoice portal, and you can see there is a self-bill credit note over here. So you can see this is a self-bill credit note submission, and it will also have the self-bill UUID over here. That is because during the reference document, you actually take this particular document, so we know which UUID to capture to submit to LHDN. So if I click into this UUID, you can see this is the self-bill invoice that I've done just now. So that is how you can do a self-bill credit note in AutoCount. So of course, this is similarly applied to others like DN, refund note. So if let's say you want to do a DN, you can reference which document, you can give it a tick. All right. If let's say you have a refund note you want to reference to, so you can click on this reference document and tick on the particular self-bill invoice. All right, and that's all for this video.